Hello everybody, today I'm going to do a little demo on how to use this Hantek HDG3000B waveform generator as a basic signal generator for radio work. Okay, so I just got this this little gadget, and just a couple of comments. It's very well made. I think it's high quality, and it's not that expensive. It costs about $250. I got this one because it's got a relatively large screen. It's got a keypad and a tuning knob, and it does more functions than I'm ever going to be able to want to do. I just want to use basic RF signals with this. So I got into the manual and I wrote down a guide here how to do basic signal generator use on this very capable machine for just basic, radio service. So we already did the power on. Let's go to step 2. Would be we're going to configure what output we want. We have 2 outputs, 1 and 2. So we're going to go turn on output number 1. The next step is to go to the utility button here, and we're going to go to page 2 and set up the output number 1 for 50 ohms. All right, and then we're done with that. Then we're going to define what kind of wave we want. Here we are. You see sine wave, square wave, ramp, pulse, noise, all these different type of waveforms. We're going to do sine wave. And then we're going to enter the frequency. So I'm going to go 5 what? Furlongs? No, we want 5 megahertz. This is what I have this little Sony radio is tuned to 5 megahertz. So we're going to generate a frequency to look at over there. So I entered the frequency. The next button, next thing we're going to do is the modulation button. We're going to tell it what kind of modulation we want. So we want AM. We're going to make the frequency here, push the frequency button. We're going to go 1 what? 1 kilohertz. So now you hear the tone coming out of the signal generator over here. So we're going to change the depth to 40% modulation. And on the settings button, I want to get dBms to look at here on my, so I'm going to go to settings, and I'm going to go to amplitude, and from here I'm going to do 5 what? I want 5 dBms. So now I have my tone. I'm on frequency here. Let me hold the camera. So I got the tone coming out, 40% modulation, 5 dBms, and I can use the tuning knob here to change the level. You see when this gets low, the radio's going to hear getting staticky here. And go back, raise my level. So there. So that's it on this Hantek HDG3000B, how to do basic signal generation to do radio service. Now, all these other features here, I'm never going to use, but it's a nice generator for labs and development and such, and I recommend it highly. It's very well made. Comes with a certificate of calibration, very official looking. Comes with numerous accessories here, connection cables for both channels. Comes with a BNC cable. Comes with a USB cable because this can be controlled by a computer app. So you can actually control it with your computer. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to just do it local, but it is capable of doing that. So I think it's a very nice machine, and I would recommend it highly. All right, that's all today. I'm out.